Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the second annual New City Microcreamery Blind Field Test. I'm, of course, one of your co-hosts, Zach, the production manager here at New City.
And I'm Alyssa Lieberman, the executive pastry chef. We're going to feel some ice cream, and with our expert ice cream knowledge, decide which flavors they are, taste-free and smell-free and sight-free.
All with these guys right here, folks. With that being said, let's kick things off with round number one.
All right, blindfolds on.
I'm getting, cold. Going?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right in. All right. I'm going to go with malted milk ball.
Chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip.
Is it s'mores?
Of course it's not s'mores.
I thought it was the graham crumb.
They're flaky.
Oh, wait. Is it coffee? Is it Java the Heat? Oh, my goodness.
Oh, wow.
What else has particulate? It's not cake batter, right?
Hey! Sprinkles! How could I not know? Turn it. Ready, go. Ruthless. Immediately was just like, that's a peanut.
Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Today's blind field test brought to you by Rail Trail Flatbread Company. Rail Trail Flatbread Company, we live by the fire. Chocolate, salted cookies and cream.
Ooh.
I know me a chunk.
Go.
Ooh, she's smooth. Ain't swirls.
S'mores?
Key lime pie.
Little bit. What is this?
7 hours later.
Is it strawberry cheesecake?
Is it strawberry? Clues from Erica.
Nuts.
All right, guys. With 4 flavors in, that's 2 for Zach and 2 for...
We're all tied up. I feel like I'm losing this hand. I'm gonna switch hands here. I'm losing feeling.
All right. Ready? Set. Go. Key lime sorbet.
Nuts! Key lime sorbet. There's no pie in there. No pie, Zach!
Sorbet consistency. You should know this.
I can smell it, actually. The pungent zest.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
This is regular cookies and cream. This is s'mores.
Ooh, really?
This is us.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Strawberry cheesecake?
Mint chip.
Chocolate chip.
Strawberry.
Malted milk ball.
Cookies and cream. Really cold ice cream.
Java the Heat? Ooh.
I need a double approach. Not chocolate chip. Not mint chip.
7 hours later.
Baklava.
I'm just trying to think what's on the board.
Grasshopper.
As soon as you said that, I started to smell it. Forgot what one of our chips was.
Let's take a look at the scoreboard.
At disadvantage.
You're right, though. You're right.
1, 2, 3. Good.
Vanilla. Vanilla bourbon. The smoothness of the alcohol.
I was gonna say the fattiness of the egg yolk.
Just another exciting round of Feely Cup here, brought to you by New City Microcreamery. New City Microcreamery in Hudson and Cambridge. Come on by. You can put your hands in our ice cream as much as you'd like to, but we would prefer that you get some napkins first. Have a great day, guys.